Hi, I'm Jake from GV, and this is a super fast intro to our sprint process. The big idea with a sprint is to build and test a prototype in just 5 days. It's kind of like fast forwarding into the future so you can see how customers react before you go to all the time and expense of building a real product. Every sprint starts with a big challenge, a team of about 7 people, and a clear calendar. On Monday, you'll create a map of the problem and choose one specific target. On Tuesday, you'll create solutions to your problem. But instead of a shout-out-loud group brainstorm, you'll work alone to sketch detailed, competing solutions. On Wednesday, you'll pick the best solutions. Instead of endless debate, you'll use a structured decision-making process. On Thursday, you'll build 1, 2, or even 3 realistic prototypes. These prototypes are just a facade of a finished product. You can use tools like Keynote, Marvel, and Envision to create fake apps and websites, or to quickly prototype hardware, you can use a 3D printer or modify an existing product, or just prototype the marketing materials. Finally, on Friday, you'll test your prototypes in 5 one-on-one customer interviews. You'll find obvious patterns. Some solutions will work, but some won't. Either way, you'll have clarity about what to do next, and a great start on that big challenge.